Hello, everyone. This is a demonstration of how to simulate earthquakes for second grade students learning the ESS1 standard. This is showing how Earth's events happen quickly or slowly. So for this lesson, this hands-on experience, these are some of the materials you could use. You need a tray or something to catch debris, two pieces of cardboard, some dirt and debris like rocks. And you can either hole punch and use string to pull on the cardboard, or you can just have students hold the cardboard. Then that would eliminate the need for a hole punch and string and duct tape. So to do this, have students pair up, set up the stage, the little debris catcher, with your two pieces of cardboard, dirt, and debris. Depending on how much you wanted to go into this concept, you could even have students construct buildings out of paper or give them little craft figurines like trees or little animals or little people, dolls, things like that. Action figures, imagine Spider-Man. That kids would probably love that. Spider-Man in the earthquake. Um, Anyways, this is your setup. You would simulate the earthquakes in stages. And this can also highlight foreshocks and aftershocks in the major event if you wanted to also highlight the different types of earthquakes that we experience. So start off by having students do a lower grade earthquake. Ask students to do, I don't know, a magnitude 3. So that would mean you shake it just slightly. Pull the two pieces of cardboard apart, one student on each side, and record how much debris has fallen, how buildings or people or figures were affected, if that's what you choose to use as well. You can incorporate mathematics into this by asking students or giving them a chart to record and estimate how much debris was affected, how much debris fell off, if any buildings fell over, or people, or animals, or trees, or whatever, depending on what you model here. Next, have them go a little bit harder. Not too nuts, because obviously safety is always a concern, and first and foremost. So have students go a little bit harder. Say, okay, students, give me a magnitude 6 earthquake. That's a little bit harder. You're going to have a lot more debris falling off and other things falling over if you choose to use it, but it's not completely wiped out. And then you say, okay, students, we're going to do the big one. Again, safety is important. Make sure nobody's whacking anybody else with their cardboard or throwing dirt and rocks at their partner. Tell them to pull it apart more and to shake it just a little bit harder and record your observations. How much debris do you estimate has fallen off the cardboard? If you use buildings, are they destroyed? Are they completely wiped off? People, animals, things like that. And have them record it and come back as a whole group and discuss how much damage was done and how much change happened to your simulated land and tectonics and the fault line. Discuss what had happened and what students had observed.